everyone, thank you for watching. In today's video I will be doing an Elsa inspired makeup look, as you can tell. If you guys would like to see how I transform myself into Elsa, please keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off with my foundation. I'm going to wet my little beauty blender. I just cleaned all my stuff so it kind of shrunk down, so it's going to moisten it so my foundation comes on really nice. And of course I am using my Badescu Rose Water Spray. And as usual, I will be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 322. Now I'm just going to pat it into my skin. When I look at Elsa, I think of her makeup as a nice sheer coverage, flawless finish. So that is what I am going to be doing today. Just to build my coverage just a little bit more, I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild Photofocus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. And I'm just putting this in my trouble spots mainly, just to cover up any of those excess blemishes. And this will brighten up just those high points. I thought since this is quite a popular movie that this would be so fun to do, and I got this dress from Shein, I think it was last year around Christmas time, and my sister had bought me this Elsa braid, I think from FYE, so I was like, you know, why not? I've always been a Disney princess fiend. My favorite Disney princess would have to be Belle, Snow White, and Pocahontas. I just feel like they relate to me more, or I relate to them more. Just to brighten things up just a tad bit more, and then I'm going to be using it for my eyelids as a primer. I'm just going to go in with my Loreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. And I'm just going to stick it under my eyes and on my eyelids. So you guys comment down below, what is your favorite Disney princess? Or your favorite Disney princess movie? I love Sleeping Beauty and Beauty and the Beast. I would say those are my top two. Oh, and The Little Mermaid. I love The Little Mermaid. And Mulan. You know, actually, I just like them all. I've always loved Disney princesses as a little girl, and I still do. Using my little Anastasia contour kit, I will be going in with these two shades right here just to brighten up my face. I'm just going to start with those high points just to brighten them up. And I just like to pack this in under my eyes instead of brushing it across, just so I set all those creases. Do you see how those lighter concealers just make under there look so beautiful? I love it. And since Elsa is paler in comparison to me, I feel like this helps me achieve her look even more. While I'm at it, I will be using these three shades just to contour my cheeks. And as usual, just dust the sides of my nose just to blend everything. I didn't go too crazy with my contour, but just enough to look like Elsa. So Elsa does have pretty rosy cheeks, so I will be going in with my Wet n Wild's Color Icon Baked Blush and the shade Dare to Soar. Just going to pack this on my cheeks. It's a really pretty shimmery blush, so I feel like that goes perfect for Elsa. Just right. I will stop right there because I think that is enough. Before I do my eyes, I will go in with one of those pale shades that I used to set those high points on my face just to set my eyes. I like to set my eyes before I do my eyeshadow because I find that it helps keep the eyeshadow lasting all day. So this is a little different from my normal makeup routine, but before I go in to do my eyes, I will be doing my brows first. And to do my brows, I'm just using my LA Girl brow pomade in the shade Soft Black. my brows are now on. So to achieve my look today for Elsa, I will be actually using Anna's palette, and this is the Colourpop 9 Pan Shadow. I do have Elsa's with me, but in Anna's palette it has all the colors that you need for Elsa's eyeshadow. So today I will be using her sister's eyeshadow palette. And there's nothing wrong with using anything of your sister's. So first I'm going to start down here with the shade Warm Hugs, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. This palette is beautiful, and the pigmentation is amazing. I love Colourpop shadows. And Elsa has like pink and purple eyeshadow going on, and the shade Warm Hugs is a pinky tone, and actually it is like the perfect tone for Elsa. So I'm glad I picked this one. Just gonna go in and blend it out. I'm going to be using the same blending brush, and I'm going to be going in. She has dark purple on her entire eyelid except for the center. She has like a lighter shimmery purple, so that is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing my entire eyelid just except for the center, so that that beautiful shimmery purple can stand out. I'm just going to blend this into the pink so there are no harsh lines. It is now time for lids, so I will be picking up that beautiful purple shimmery shade, Adventure. I'm just going to place that. Ooh, this is beautiful. It's perfect too. That is so Elsa. I love it. I love it. Oh, I'm so happy. Even though it's not finished yet, but I can still be happy that it's coming out to my liking. Elsa has beautiful short stubby wings, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. These are the wings up close. She doesn't have like dramatic wings, but she has those really elongated ones like animated cartoons do to make her eyes pop out, so that is what I did. I feel like I couldn't have picked a better lash style. I feel like these are so animated, princessy, so I love it. Because Elsa is an animated cartoon and her eyes appear larger, I will be going in with my NYC Cosmetics white eyeliner. And I'm just going to line my bottom waterline just to make my eyes appear larger. To blend all my lashes together, I will be going in with my Buxom Blackest Black Mascara. I'm just gonna blend everything together and then put some on my bottom lashes. So for lips, I have Elsa's exact lipstick shade, and this is also from the Colourpop line for the Frozen 2 movie. It's just a bit light for me, so I'm going to be going in with a darker lipstick, and then I'm just going to be adding some of this in the middle just to brighten it up. So for lips, I'm going to be going in with this NYX Lip Tease matte lipstick, and it is in the shade Bang Bang. This is basically Elsa's lip color, but it complements my skin tone better than the actual Colourpop one, but I will be placing that in the center like I said before. This by far is my favorite pinky lipstick. I finished one before, and this is one I rebought, so that's why it is full. It just complements my skin so much, more than other pink lipsticks do. And it's dark too, which I like because I'm not really a bright lipstick person. While I'm waiting for my lipstick to dry, I'll be going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit, and this is the Sugar Glow Kit, and I will be using this beautiful white shade Marshmallow just to highlight my cheekbones. This highlighting palette is so beautiful. I got it for my birthday, and I love it. Marshmallow just reminds me of an icy type Elsa Snow Queen shade, so just going in and throwing that on my high points as well. This palette is so beautiful and pigmented. I don't even want to use it because it looks so perfect. For a little bit of brow bone highlight, I will actually be going in with Elsa's palette, and I will be using this beautiful silver shade Ice Crystals. Yeah, just a little bit. I want to stay true to her character's makeup, but just a little bit won't hurt because it is an Elsa inspired makeup look. Just a little bit on my nose and my cupid's bow. Okay, I think my lipstick is dry enough, so I'm just going to be adding just a little bit in the center. Or just can go overall because I have a dark base, so it wouldn't hurt. So guys, that is it for the Elsa inspired makeup look. I am so happy with how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me transform myself into Elsa. I just love it. I think I did such a wonderful job. And I also have a picture on my phone for reference. So to me, I think I did a really great job. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please give me a big thumbs up and leave some comments down below on what other Disney princess I should do or what other cosplay I should do next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell so you guys will never miss any uploads of mine. With all of that said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.